This tutorial will guide you through the process of unlinking your Roblox account from your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If you've decided to disconnect your Roblox account from your console, this quick and straightforward guide will help you complete the task in under a minute. So let's get started. So first, open the Roblox app. After you open the Roblox app, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already opened and logged in. If your account is logged in, click the More tab, which is located at the left side of the screen below the Party tab. While we're in the More tab, click the Settings tab beside the About tab. While we're in the Settings tab, click the Security tab so that we can proceed. While we're in the Security tab, scroll down until you find the PlayStation section. After you locate the PlayStation section, click the Disconnect button so that you can unlink your Roblox account from PS4 and PS5. Unlinking your Roblox account from your PlayStation is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. By following this guide, you can easily manage your linked account and maintain control of your gaming experience. If you face any difficulties, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance. Enjoy your gaming!